Are you an architect or designer looking to give your website a fresh new look? In just 5 minutes, you can transform your online presence and make a lasting impression on potential clients. Let's dive into the key steps for a quick website makeover that will elevate your brand and attract more visitors. Your website is often the first point of contact for potential clients. It's a reflection of your brand, expertise, and style. A well-designed website can convey professionalism and creativity, setting you apart from the competition. Start by updating your portfolio with your latest projects. High-quality images and detailed descriptions will showcase your skills and captivate visitors. Ensure that your contact information is easily accessible, and consider adding a blog section to share industry insights and engage with your audience. Don't forget to optimize your website for mobile devices to reach a wider audience. In just 5 minutes, you can revitalize your website and leave a memorable impression on potential clients. By focusing on the importance of your website, updating your content, and giving your website a fresh makeover, you'll be well on your way to attracting more visitors and showcasing your expertise.